doing a Facebook Live video.
We need more trains on this.
Yeah, I think you're right. I mean, we really are, you know, we are limited to 8 at this point. That's a real problem, you know. I guess I could double up on some of the tracks, but I think I need more power to do it. If you want to see Tinplate, this is the place to be. If you can't find a Tinplate train here, you're blind. I like the way the cities come out. I really do.
Yeah, it looks good. Looks good.
All from catalogs online. The LCCA published all the Ives and the American Flyer catalogs. So I just took screenshots of, or downloaded pictures from them.
You did a great job with the curtains.
Yeah, they're falling. It keeps the sun off the tin, and that was the whole purpose. Because it was just coming in, and these things will fade in the sun. So it served its purpose. They're still ugly.
How long does it take you to pack all these trains underneath before you West Lake?
If I get Joshua really jumping in, we can do this in about 15, 20 minutes. One of them staying inside, the other rolling in.
When you go to York, of course you go up 81.
Yeah.
You cut across at 7.
You can do that, or you can go. You go up to Hagerstown, go across there. Is that 70? That goes to Baltimore at Hagerstown.
Okay.
Yeah, and from there you take 15, and hold on.
You cross over 30. You take that to.
Yeah.
I don't know, 234 South I know.
Yeah. I think you're going to a little town called East Berlin.
But you can stay on 81 into Maryland.
Yeah, you can.
And you take 70, you think it is?
Yeah, it's the interstate that intersects 81 at Hagerstown. There's only one other interstate
All right,
there.
then you get off at 70 at 15, did it take you to? Or 340?
You could take 15, or you can go, hold on.